Hello friends, welcome to our channel Accord Medical. Now we will show you the demo of Mini Muscle Stimulator. It has three currents: Faradic, interrupted galvanic and surge Faradic. This machines come with the complete accessories and a carry bag. Switch on the machine. These are the three currents: Faradic, interrupted galvanic and surge Faradic. You can select the current as per your requirement. This is surge Faradic, interrupted galvanic. Surge duration is used in surge Faradic current. So as we are showing you a demo on interrupted galvanic, so we will just place the pads as per the requirement, and then we will increase the intensity. Place the pads as per your requirement and then increase the intensity as per your requirement. Once the treatment is completed, make the intensity knob at 0 and switch off the machine. We also provide a pen electrode with two attachments. This pen electrode is used for smaller areas and for the facial treatment. You can also buy this machine online at MedicalBazzar.com. You can find the link in the description below. Thank you. The demo is completed.